All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. I got some pretty cool custom knife right over here. It's something unusual, something you don't see that often. This is Neil Blackwood. Check this out, actually, like that. This is a Pipsqueak folder. It's a small boy, but it's a chunky one, but a very light one. So there's some interesting features going on in this custom knife with going on, like look at the carbon fibers going on into this carbon fiber scale. It's very lightweight. It's a frame lock with the titanium blue anodized and stone washed lock side, clip as well, very wide, mimicking the shape of the knife itself. Really cool indeed. S90V blade. S90V, one of the best steel that you want in a pocket knife, I would say, has been black, like stonewashed, blacked out for the bevel. That's so good, and satin for the flats, of course, and checks the studs. Pretty pointy, not, I mean, it's a little bit pointy, but the acid wash going on over here creates a stunning contrast with the blade indeed. Nice hardware, of course, pretty cool premium material, premium finish. It is something, check this out, something really indeed that it's cool. I would say the cutting edge is 2.5, a little bit over 2.5 inches. With I would say a little bit, yeah, and 3.5 for the handle, 6.25 for the total length of this little guy. Running gun washers, backspacer is titanium, the anodization is spectacular, the chamfering has that pop, all the edges, subtle pop to it. You can see the stop pin going on over here. You can flick it open. Vault sound like clack. So cool. This is no stainless steel lock face insert. There's no lock stick whatsoever going on. The deployment is smooth. Locks up solidly. Feels good in the hand. You can shred some cardboards for sure with this fella. If you want the lanyard, boom, you got a hole for that. There's no detent ball ramp. Nice hardware. Goes really well with the studs. Thick stop in. Anodization work is spectacular. Really cool. Sound is impressive. You got some pretty aggressive jimping as well on the spine of this blade. Blade is centered, safely recessed, sharp, hollow grind, double recurve. What else you want from a little guy like that? Oh, you want to know the weight? That's what you want, because he said it's light. I mean, it's a chubby one, of course, don't get me wrong, because it's a small one, but it's 5 ounces. So you know it's a lightweight to be a chubby, but it's just because it's small, just of the length of the fella. Check this out. This is Neil Blackwood. It's a Pipsqueak folder directly for you from Fablades. So check it out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.